I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing we'll call it an intermediate exercise. I think this can be done at all levels, it just depends on the speed, but we'll call it like intermediate today. It's a shuffle exercise that helps you work on switching sides pretty quickly and like also just kind of like weight distribution in between the shuffles and also shuffle rhythm patterns. So we're gonna do a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and then shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, chug. So you have and swing, and swing, and swing, and swing, and swing, no swing, no swing, no swing. So really, really cool rhythmic challenge, but also fun shuffle exercise. And I know that a lot of my classes love shuffle exercises. Also, sorry, there are so many children playing outside, so if you hear like random screams, I promise it's good things. They got new toys for Christmas, and they are so excited to play with them. All right, I'm just like hearing all these like, I guess they're playing like soccer or something in the neighborhood. It's which I love. I love kids that play outside. I think that's great. You do you guys. Just if you scream and you really, really need help, knock on my door. Okay, so you have 4 shuffles to the front. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So this is that swung rhythm. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Then you have shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel. So we're gonna not swing those. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and 7. Crazy, right? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. That's what makes this intermediate for sure. Then you do it again. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. So you have 4 shuffles again. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Then you have 1 open shuffle, shuffle, step, and then a heel, heel, toe, toe, chug, crawl. Then your left foot would be free for you to do it all over again. So let's do the whole combination. Shuffle, 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 step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, 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 step, heel, heel, toe, toe, chug. Just on the right side, let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good, now let's try it on the left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So don't forget to make a distinction between a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. That shuffle is open at the end. Okay, so let's try right and then left. 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Left, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. That's the whole combination, but you do it front, right, left, side, right, left, back, right, left, and then side, right, left. Pretty cool, right? So let's try it without music, and then we'll do it with music. Short and sweet, but like so challenging. I love it. So we're gonna do front, side, both sides. Let's go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. was so hard to keep track of. I think I did one shuffle incorrectly and I kept it swung. But I know that I did that, so I can improve it later. Sometimes mistakes are important, so that's why I started leaving them in my videos. All right, make that distinction between swung and straight rhythm, okay? Let's try it with music. We got this. Exercise for you if you plan on bringing it to your students. Hopefully it's an amazingly fun exercise for your students. I cannot wait to challenge my students with this when we get back from break. I am filming this still on break, so I am like constantly throughout this whole break coming up with more things to bring to class, and I am like on the edge of my seat excited to bring it to them. So it is helping me a lot that I can at least film this for you guys, even though it's going to come out way later, but it's okay. So, hopefully you all enjoyed that. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got choreography tutorials, technique exercises like this, step tutorials, vlogs, challenges. This is your free tap dance class channel, and it's all for you. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, because that is the best way of supporting this channel, and the more subscribers I have, the longer I can keep this channel going. And I would like to keep it going forever, and I'd like to keep it free forever. That would be nice. This is my way of giving back, and I just love doing that. So thank you so much for allowing me to do that by dancing with me today. So also, while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button, because it tells YouTube that people love tap dance, and for a million reasons we want YouTube to know that. So thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.